So what better time to show you the newest thing I got here. This company, AUTOONE, saw my videos, saw what I do, and you know, I go around picking up junks and seeing if they run. Sometimes I need a little boost to get them in neutral or something like that. They got flat tires. This is like an all-in-one thing here. They asked me if they could send me one and I could do a little review on it and see what I thought of it. So what better way to see if it'll fire up a stone cold big block in the Maine winter. So we got pretty simple. There's your plug in that for your little jumper cables, and they got a couple of USBs on the side, so you can bring this with you, and it's like a little battery bank. You know, you can plug your phone in if you're somewhere, if you're tailgating, or you know, whatever else you need to plug in there. And it's also got a light. Of course, it helps if you turn the power on. We've been sitting out here. It doesn't even have a full charge, so this thing, you know, will put it to the real test here. And got an LED light on the front of it. It's pretty bright, you know, if you need to see some stuff at night, whatever you need to do. And you got a little flashing if you're on the side of the road. You want to warn people that you're there. It's pretty nice. I'm kind of excited about it. I've had a couple of these, to be honest, throughout the years, and they haven't really met my expectations. So and we also, you see, we got a little hose here. This thing's also an air compressor, so you just screw it right into that. You choose what you want for you know, pressure on your tire, and you just fill her up. So we're gonna try it out, see if it'll crank this thing. Just picked up this junk, and it's got a couple flats. So what better way than to test this AUTOONE little jump starter slash air compressor. Power it up. Press this button here. Automatically sets to 36. You can change it to whatever you want, and turn it on. It's not too noisy, you know, compared to a lot of them, but so yeah, it takes about 10 seconds and it builds up a little bit of pressure in there, and let's see where we're at. I mean, we're at 5 pounds already, so it's filling up. Almost got it. Just shut off at 36. So there you go. 1 bar of battery. We've already started a big block and filled up this old junk tire. So I'd say that thing's pretty damn good. So if you decide that you want to try one of these AUTOONE little jump starters slash air compressor, all you got to do is, there's a link, I'll put it right down for you in the description down there, and there's a code. When you're checking out, you just put in that code. It's simply my YouTube handle, a crazy Canuck 78. You just put that in, you get 15% off. They got all kinds of other stuff on the website too, so check it out, and thanks.